Hello guys, I had no intention to make this video at all, but I thought I have to share my experience with you all. From past 3 or 4 days I was not feeling well and I had a fever, body pain and sore throat. I was taking medicines, but amidst all these not so pleasant moments which is currently going on, I decided to go for the COVID test because I don't want to be vulnerable to those with whom I am close to, meet frequently and will meet sooner or later. So I directly went to the South Australian health website and found a number there and immediately rang them up. I explained all my symptoms and asked for help. They took all my personal details and address of course and gave each and every information of nearby clinics and hospitals which are conducting the COVID test currently. And they also told me that if I have an emergency situation they can bring an ambulance to my address, but I told them don't bother, I can drive by myself because I was not that critical at the moment. Look, as an international student, it is really tough to survive during the study period because of some obvious reasons. For example, one can be the finance. So I asked them, will the health insurance cover all the expenses or there will be the separate payment to be made for this whole thing? So I think the person with whom I was talking to sensed a little bit of panic within me and explained, you just relax, calm down and do the test. You don't need to do anything, no health insurance, no appointment at all. That was a big relief for me. Once I reached the hospital, which is like 12 minutes drive from my place, I straight away went to the COVID testing center and did the test. During the test, doctor inserted a stick which had the cotton at the edge directly into my nose, which was a bit painful, but anyways that was necessary. Maybe that was for collecting the mucus sample anyways. And at the end they told me that it will take 24 to 72 hours to get the test results. They also advised me to self-isolate myself for this time window until the test result comes, and according to the test results they will gonna guide me. I'm sharing this video with you all because we can be highly literate and ignorant at the same time. So it is better to take care of yourselves and others by following the government suggested protocols because it's for our own good. I hope my test result comes negative, fingers crossed. If not, I'll do the needful. The only intention for me to make this video is to request you all, if you have any symptoms related to COVID-19, please go and seek for medical help because this is what all literate would do. Thank you so much for watching my video and stay safe, stay healthy.